You appear on my timeline, you become a household name. So I've named my suspects Saso from Dream Team. Saso must say something. Say so. Did you give them the say so? Say so? Did you give them the say so? I saw say so walking with Trey. Yeah, clean. And then say so is in the club. You watch the guy get shot in front of you and then you're in the club later. Why? Why? Why are you in the club? Trying to make tributes, trying to make these tribute videos and all this type of shit, trying to make us feel like you guys feel bad? You guys don't feel bad. You guys did what you were trying to do. You feel bad about Tibbs, not about Keenan though. Now why do they feel bad about Tibbs? Because Tibbs is the reason why the whole entire plan is going awry. Tibbs is the reason why we've got the footage. Because if Tibbs wasn't shot, right, we wouldn't have gotten the footage from the next door venue, which forced Wish to also give up their footage. So now we've got all the footage, thanks to Tibbs getting shot. Tibbs was there to protect Keenan. God sent Tibbs to protect Keenan. Even in his death, he is protected. You understand? Because they were trying to kill Keenan, then try to smear him. They were going to use the same people that were with him when Anele lost her life, to try and make it seem like he had something to do with it, without him there to speak for himself. Western Cape's homicide, best captains already decided that there's no case there to charge. There's no foul play. They found that. You guys had to create the foul play. Shame. Only foul play we see is the foul play of murdering Keenan. We saw the foul play. We saw how Sasso let him out, looked across the street. Okay, Ipingat, don't design. You saw the Ngabi. Oh yeah, he's on that side. Okay, and the other Ngabi, yeah, you're hiding him. Shield him, shield this Ngabi. So they got Don Design and this other bouncer from the club, shielding the Ngabi so that he can't be seen, so that Keenan feels comfortable. Cool, Keenan is still saying goodbye to his friend. Cool, the Ngabis think to themselves, yo, it's better to kill him here in the streets than in the car. In the car, the bullet